The code here, it's a P20E9 on the truck. It's a 2018 Duramax truck. It's got the L5P engine on there. And I think we know what the issue is. Let's go and take it apart. But what we think is the issue is a map sensor in here. This map sensor right here, and it's a 10mm bolt. We're going to unscrew that and see what this looks like. As this is the culprit of the error code, we should just be able to take it out and clean it. If it doesn't fix it, then we'll have to replace this map sensor. Shouldn't be too bad. Just got to wiggle this thing out. And oh boy, yep, that is the issue. See all that black soot on there? You're supposed to be able to see the little thing in the middle of that thing. So what we're going to do is kind of clean that up and get this and see if it'll work. So stay tuned. Let's see if I can get this thing off now. I've got a little pick here. And see if I can get down in here and get that opened up. Oh, it came right out of there. Okay, we're gonna take that in, get that cleaned up, and look at that. Me banging around on that a little bit already has already cleared that up. So we're gonna clean it up the rest of the way and put it back together, so stay tuned. Got it all cleaned up here. And you can see that is much better. We're gonna put this back together. Now, really what I'd like to do is be able to clean out the whole thing, or really do a delete kit on here. But we won't do that now. So we got that clip back together. We'll put our sensor back in the hole, put our 10mm bolt back in here. Okay, we got our code reader hooked up here. So we're gonna erase the previous codes and do the engine. I'm gonna erase the codes on here that's already on here. And you can see the engine light is on right there. So erasing that code. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. And there, their engine light went off. And before it was flashing up emission system check. You know, I can't remember the exact code on there, but it was the P20E9. And hopefully it's all gone now. Let's check and read the codes on here. And there's the P20E9. Now, the thing is that might be there for a little bit of time until we run the truck for a little bit and verify that it's cleaned up. But we're assuming that that code's going to be gone here in a second once we run the engine and, you know, the sensor is able to pick up that, hey, I'm not getting that mass airflow issue again anymore. So there you go. If you want to switch out, that's a really cheap, easy fix. Doesn't really require a lot of tools. 10mm socket. We had a little pick to be able to pull the clip apart. Other than that, that's all you need. Until next time, God bless you all.